Good afternoon, everybody. Today is March the 1st, 2025, and I have our little friend, the vanilla experiment. I just wanted to crack it open, give it a smell, maybe a possible taste, and see where we're at. This experiment started on February the 15th when I did my first video with how to make vanilla extract. This is 70% alcohol with, I had originally only put 10 vanilla beans in it, but I upped it to 20. I wanted to get the most out of this extract. So let's crack it open, give it a smell and a taste. So first, the smell of alcohol has completely left, and all you smell now is vanilla bean. You can see the color of it. You cannot see the vanilla beans very well through this anymore, and that is only since February the 15th. Dribbled a little bit. Ooh, smells strong of alcohol when I do it this way now with the nose. Got a long ways to go. Definitely can taste the vanilla already. You can taste the extract, but the alcohol flavor is still very predominant. So hopefully, give it a couple of months, 6 months to a year, and that alcohol will have gone, less strong and more of a vanilla flavor. Hope everybody enjoys this and follow along for more content.